Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thanks to UNice for sponsoring this video. We're gonna get this together and we're gonna make it quick, so let's go. First of all, let's look at the wig. I know what it is because I was so excited to do something with color. I've been wearing all black. It's a summertime. It's time to express ourselves, okay? And I like to do that with my hair. So with that being said, let's get to it. This is a 5x7 Byebye knots lace wig, and it is in 20 inches. Of course, it's highlighted, and I think it's finger coil, which I'm always excited about. We're gonna make this quick because it's gonna be a glueless wig. So let's go. But let me show you guys the wig. Of course, they sent over everything you need to install the wig, except if you're gonna spray it down, you need a spray. But you have your cap and everything. Now this is how the lace looks so nice. There is enough space. It's already in a middle part, and that's the finger coil. I think it's a drawstring at the back, which means it's one wig fits all. That's what that means. Okay, that's how it is. It is beautiful. And then we have the finger coil at the end. I know you guys are seeing that. So nice. It's a curly wig. I love it. I love that the highlight is at the front right here. We're gonna get into this. Let's go. Alright guys, we are done. This was very simple, very easy. I am going to let this dry and then we're gonna come back, and also I will be doing a side part to show you guys how versatile this wig is. I'm gonna let it self dry, run errands. I'll be back in a few hours and we're gonna see if the curls do last. So guys, it is more than 8 hours later in the night because I was so busy. When I tell you these curls did not move, so on camera I'm gonna separate the curls because I'm in love. So I'm gonna get a comb just to pick out the hair because I didn't do anything because I wanted to have that fluffy look, you know. And I didn't remove the finger coil, so I really like that. So we're just gonna fluff this out. Now listen, you see this wig? You see how beautiful it is? It was ready in seconds, and this might just be the easiest wig I've ever installed because I didn't have to do much. And look at it. I did nothing because it's that good. If you want to get it, keep on watching. Or if you want to know how I install it, keep on watching. Now listen up. You want a pre-style wig in advance? This is it, and it might just be the easiest wig I've ever installed because I didn't have to do much. Keep on watching. Yeah, UNice, you did that. Alright guys, so I made it into a very cute side part, which I think I'm gonna leave because I like it. So this is a side part. I can definitely turn it back into a middle part because it's that easy. So UNice, you did this one. Like, it was not hard. I just parted and that was it. So this is how it looks. It's very fluffy. I love it. I love the finger coil because it's leveled and it's looking so good. Now the lace, even though I did not do anything else to the lace, are you guys seeing that? Yes, that's the parting right there. It is amazing. I can also turn it back into my middle part if I want. Now this is, like I said, one of the easiest and quickest wigs you're gonna install because it's perfect. It have color, it's wide enough, and you have enough space. It's a drawstring, it's pre everything. Now with that being said, I will have the link for you in the description. All you have to do is click on the direct link for this wig and you can secure yours today. And also I'll have a discount for y'all, so make sure you check the link in the description. And thanks to UNice once more for sponsoring this video. I'm in love. Now I will be reinstalling this because this is a perfect summer wig for me. It's every day. If I want to go to work with a middle part and then in the nighttime I want to go with a side part, I can do that without any hassle. It was made for this. So you guys can check it out. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.